Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google search tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to find 100% real black and white images in Google search. Let me show you how. Just like what you see on my screen right here, you can see every results right here are completely black and white images. You can use this method to get any black and white images for free in Google search. Let me show you the trick. I'm going to close this tab right here and I'll click on here to create a new tab. And then next thing you want to do here, when you create a new tab, come to the top right here, and then you want to make sure you click on images right here and you have it right here. Next thing you want to do is to search for any types of images. Like for instance, you are looking for model images, model. Just type in model and hit enter. Then you have different model right here. Now, among all this model, you need only black and white image. So for that, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here. Then what you want to do here is to click on tool right here. You want to navigate to color, then click on black and white right here. Boom, and you have them like a magic. Just like so. Now, every image always comes with different color in Google. So you can see that the same image that we check or say multiple color and variety color are the same image. We are getting the result in black and white right here. You can use this method to literally search for any image in black and white result in Google search. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google search like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.